Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare Audi R8 vs R1, which is better. Follow along and take notes so you can pick the right car for your needs and budget today. I'll cover acceleration, handling, practicality, and ownership trade-offs in simple terms. Expect clear comparisons, real driving impressions, and straightforward pros and cons to help you choose confidently between these two exciting options. Let's dive into performance and handling in a friendly, easy-to-follow way that's great for TTS. I'll explain engine feel, throttle response, and how each car behaves on tight roads versus open straights. We'll discuss chassis balance, steering precision, and how suspension choices change ride comfort. I want you to understand which car matches your driving style, whether you value raw speed or refined control. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future content and quick reviews. Quick recommendation: on another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers make fueling long drives stress-free and keep snacks tidy between track sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover practical ownership aspects with clear, conversational points ideal for a quick listen. I'll describe cabin comfort, cargo practicality, and how each car fits into real-life routines. We'll also look at expected maintenance, insurance considerations, and factors that drive resale value. My goal is to give you a realistic picture of what it's like to live with either car beyond the excitement of the drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.